Assalamualaikum friends, welcome to our channel Creative Popo, administered by Halima Abdul Shakur Bawani. Today we are here to experiment on the effect of air on the balloon caused by warm water and cold water. Let's begin.
At first, I've covered the bottle with the balloon and now I am putting it into cold water. Let's see what happens. Oh, nothing happens because the cold water didn't produce the air inside the bottle.
Now we are going to try the effect of warm water onto the balloon.
Now I am putting the bottle into the warm water. Let's see what happens. Ooh, the balloon starts to blow because the warm water produces air inside the bottle to heat up the balloon. The faster moving particles begin to move faster and faster and soon they expand. The balloon fills up.
Hope you like our experiment. Do try this experiment at your home. Don't forget to like,
Share and subscribe to our channel Creative Popo. Allah Hafiz.